Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale on violin. We'll start by finding suitable arrangements and preparing your instrument. Tuning your violin to G-D-A-E is crucial for accurate pitch. Focus on fundamental bowing and finger placement to produce clean, resonant tones. This foundational work will set you up for success as you tackle more complex melodies. To truly master Undertale melodies, begin with iconic pieces such as Megalovania or the main Undertale theme. These pieces often feature distinct dynamics and articulation, which are key to conveying the game's emotional depth. Always practice at a slow pace, prioritizing precise intonation and consistent rhythm. Gradually increase your tempo as your accuracy improves, aiming for a smooth and expressive performance. To elevate your Undertale violin performance, incorporate advanced techniques like vibrato and shifting. Vibrato adds warmth and expressiveness, while shifting allows you to access higher positions smoothly. Explore various bowing styles to create diverse tonal qualities, from crisp staccato to flowing legato. Regularly record your practice sessions. This provides valuable feedback for refining your technique and musicality. Discover a wealth of resources online, including free sheet music and video tutorials from fellow violinists. Engaging with online communities or forums dedicated to violin and game music can offer immense support and inspiration. For personalized guidance and to refine your technique, consider working with a qualified violin teacher. They can provide tailored feedback, helping you achieve your musical goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.